In this video, we're going to talk about polar diagrams, how they're useful, why they're useful, and what they are.
Yeah, so first, what is a polar diagram? It's just a diagram, well, it's just a type of chart, but it is a diagram that is describing how your boat sails in terms of speed relative to the wind speed and wind direction. So in a broad sense, if you are, say, sailing off the wind in a good stiff breeze, you're going to be going quite fast. Whereas if maybe you're sailing upwind and really light wind, you're going to be going quite slow. Polar diagram is just describing how fast your boat will be sailing in those conditions. Why is that useful? Why do we care about how fast our boat is sailing in different conditions?
Well, definitely whether you're day sailing or going across an ocean for multiple days, you're going to want to know when you're going to get there, how fast you're going to go, and maybe you need to avoid some weather. You can route around it. But we need to have real data based on how you sail your own boat.
So now in developing your own polar diagrams, where we think a good start is to take your boat's manufacturer's VPP or Velocity Prediction Program's polars that they'll give you when you purchase the boat. We take these polars and we like to print them out and put them up on our bulkhead. And from there, as we sail our boat with the sails we have on board, with the equipment that we have loaded, with the type of sailing we like to do, you can now cross out those numbers and add what number you sail to or what the average boat speed is for various conditions. After quite a bit of sailing, where you've crossed out a lot of numbers, you'll have a really good indicator now for your specific polars. And your specific polars include the way you sail, the types of sails that you have, the type of equipment that you have on board, kind of more of a real world speed prediction for the way you sail your boat.
Right.
And this is important when you want to do weather routing for, say, a passage or even just a day trip. If you use a computer program for weather routing, the computer program is going to need to know what your boat's polars are to accurately route you to your destination. The more accurate you can make your polars, the more accurate your weather routing will then be.